This is an incredible center for all of the families that are newly going to benefit from the opportunity for the child care and development, and also the community resources and education that are here. I hope you all are tremendously proud of what you have built and created. We are also very proud. We do operate the Child Care and Development Infrastructure Grant Program, which was an essential source of funding for children and families to benefit from the care and support of this beautiful new facility.